It's not about the quantity, all about quality, isn't it? That's what where we all put focus on it. But ladies and gentlemen, without producing a large number of quantity, how can you expect that quality? If you're one such person who wants to create a quality video for yourself and want to present that video to the out world, then how can you expect that quality in the first video or second video? Is it possible to become that much of quality person just by using first or second video? Of course not. If you are the person who can think about the quality much, you are in a wrong perception. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to change your perception. You have to put focus on the large number of quantity. You have to produce more content so that you will be getting the quality content. Try to figure it out in which area that you are strong at. That's what exactly called niche. Put focus on your niche. Try to make more videos on that niche. Definitely one particular day you will produce, that means you will provide quality content to your viewers. So put focus on large number of quantity, produce more content. Thank you for watching this video.